Have you ever struggled with a dull can opener that slips, leaves sharp edges, or simply refuses to work? The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener and Bottle Opener is designed to make opening cans quick, safe, and effortless. But is it worth adding to your kitchen? Let's find out. This can opener features a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel that cuts through cans smoothly with minimal effort. The oversized ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, making it easier to use, even during extended meal prep. It also includes a built-in bottle opener, giving you two essential kitchen tools in one compact design. Its durable construction is made for everyday use and is easy to store in any kitchen drawer. One of the biggest advantages is its smooth cutting performance. The sharp cutting wheel opens cans cleanly and efficiently, while the soft, ergonomic handles provide excellent comfort and control. The sturdy build quality feels durable, and the built-in bottle opener adds extra convenience without taking up additional space. Since it's a manual can opener, it requires some hand effort and may not be the best option for people with very limited hand strength. Hand washing is also recommended to help keep the cutting wheel in excellent condition. Overall, the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener and Bottle Opener is a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use kitchen essential. If you want a can opener that delivers smooth performance, comfortable handling, and long-lasting quality, it's an excellent choice. Check the affiliate link in the description below for today's best price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets. Thanks for watching.